Well, the day has finally come where I have broken my hood latch. I kind of felt like that was going to happen for quite a while because when I would pull, it just didn't feel like it was doing its job very well. And sure enough, today when I was going to check the oil, I pull it and it snaps. So not exactly sure on how to fix this yet. I haven't looked it up or anything, but I would definitely have to replace the cable because the cable part is what snapped at the back. You can feel it. There's about that much of the cable that you can feel. So here is a workaround that I will probably do until the unforeseen future because it's really not that big of a deal, but just in case I do have to pop my hood and, you know, obviously whenever it's time to get an oil change and that kind of thing, I'm gonna need to use this. So here is the workaround that I found for anybody else out there who has an E30 who has snapped the cable. Evidently it's a rite of passage, so I guess I am now 100% an E30 owner. Okay, so the two things that you're gonna need, a flathead screwdriver and a flashlight. I would obviously use my phone if I needed to do this, but I'm recording on my phone right now instead of my camera, so I have a flashlight that I'm gonna be able to use. Okay, so if you look on the right-hand side of the grills, you will see a bolt right there. I know it's out of focus, but also on to the right of the bolt, you'll see a hole with a little slit where you'll be able to put the flathead screwdriver and you will turn it clockwise. When you do, this will pop up, so make sure your head is not too close to that, otherwise you'll get rammed in the head. So I got it in there. That was kind of hard without the flashlight, but all you do is turn it and the hood opens.